Now that I've put some nicer tires on the car, it's time to dress them up with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with Project Overlander, my Jeep Commander. Now, just got these BF Goodrich all-terrain TA tires on there. Yeah, track attack. Now, I wanted to just shine them up, and so I bought this. It's Griot's Garage, saw it in my local AutoZone. Black shine, trim, and coating. There was one that said XL, and I'm not sure what the difference is. I think maybe the bottle was just a little bit bigger, but I was like, oh, maybe I should get the XL because these tires are XLs, 33 inches. Yeah, but I wanted to spray this on there, see what it would do for newly cleaned, dry looking, matte finish tires, see if it will give them a little glossy shine, like the shine that's on my forehead that reflects the sun so badly some people will lose control of their car, but also how long it will last. So let's go ahead and spray it on, see what it looks like, and then we'll check it out after at least a few days. Okay, says to shake well. Yeah, oh yeah, shake it well and apply to a clean, dry tire in a nicely ventilated area. Yeah, that's going to work. That's going to work just fine. All right, let's see what it does. Ooh, it's got a pretty big, wide spray pattern there. So that's kind of nice. Got to do a couple passes to get the exterior and the interior. I don't know if I want to go right to the edge, but I think these teeth on the outside of the tire look pretty good. Now, I will tell you what, that looks pretty nice. It's got kind of a cherry smell. It smells like a nice fruity drink. Well, that looks pretty good, huh? What if we go to this tire and we will try it out? And that's what it looks like before. Just go ahead and do the same thing. If you have a really low profile tire, one pass is probably going to be fine. But I don't. So, you're going to use a little bit more Producto. Ooh, look at that. It's not bad, huh? It's not bad. This stuff goes on pretty nice. So, definitely gives it more glossy black look. Like, if I run over here to this side, look at these tires. They look almost gray. So, I'm going to dress these up too, and then I'll drive it around and see how long it lasts. All right, it's been super cold around here lately. Hasn't snowed or rained, but I am going to go through the car wash with this, and the tires are going to get a bath. So we'll see how it looks after that. All right, so it's been a little over a week with the tire shine, and I was just doing regular daily driving. It is really cold out here, not snowing, but I don't know if you can see my breath, but it's that cold. You can see your breath out here, and I don't know if that actually holds the shine on a little longer, keeps that shine a little fresh, but I really thought going into the car wash would be a true test. You know, you're going to get some rain, some precip sometimes, you know, when that low pressure system kind of comes in, displaces that high pressure. Anyway, just watch your barometers. But what I noticed here is that I went through the car wash, and I didn't go through the basic car wash, mind you. I splurged for the $10 car wash with the tire cleaner, which is kind of funny because my back tire is kind of dirty here. But I want to show you that the shine is basically gone from the tire, but it does have just a little bit of that kind of new look, like it's a little oily or something, but not shiny, not glossy. Even on the back here, again, gone, but still has a little bit of that oily look. So if you want a tire shine from a reputable brand name that seems to work, that seems to last, I kind of like it. It's super easy to apply. You can definitely pick it up. I'll put a link to it in the description. See, this is the tire. I don't know if I got that on the way home, but that is filthy like my mouth. So if you want your tires looking glossy at the outset and at least oily like a slicked up bodybuilder, this is the stuff you want. I'll definitely use it again. Peter Von Panda, out.